Hey, what's up guys? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I have here another, or my second non-mecha or non-humanoid robot model kit here, and it comes in a form of tank. So this is a tank from the anime Girls Und Panzer Das Finale. So I think this is a movie, and as far as I recall from the anime, it is about girls who are studying in an academy fighting other girls from other academy using tanks. So I'm very you know, it's girls, they're very devastating. So it's very hilarious to see that anime where girls are fighting or using tanks to defend their school's pride, something like that. And it's awkward, very awkward, but very hilarious. And I got to find this model here from Platz because I'm planning to change my collection in, because to be honest, I'm fed with Gunplas nowadays. I like to shift from making tank models or airplane models. So I think this is a good start for me if I want to quit the Gunpla hobby and start doing non-mecha model kit. So I find this very nice here, this Girls Und Panzer model kit here with this brown tank. But honestly, I don't know what tank model is this because I'm not familiar. So if you're watching and you know what kind of tank is this, please comment it to the comment section below. And there's this character here. I don't know if she's a protagonist or an antagonist. I just picked it in Shopee Ph because I'm very curious about this. So let's check this kit out and let's see what's inside. So the box art here shows the brown tank here with the code 212, and this is from Platz Rubicon Models Girls Und Panzer Das Finale. I think this is a movie from the anime series. And side of the box we can see the tank model, the front view, the rear view, and how big is this model if you finish building it. So it's a 1/56 scale, so it's a bit large. And as we can see in the picture, it takes about 2 hands of a person to fit this thing. And the other side of the box, we can see it's almost in Japanese, but there's this English here that it's about a warning on the small parts or the sharp parts. And there we can see some picture from the anime where the girls are riding on the tank. And if we open the box here, we can see a monotonous brown color runners here for the tank. So if you want to paint the kit to make it more lively, you may do so, because the color is really monochromatic or monotonous brown. So we got here the instruction manual, which is very simple, and judging how the build goes, it is also simple. It's not that complicated, and I guess it needs glue here, I presume. So I just prepare my super glue if I'm going to use it, or whenever I'm going to use it. So this shaded parts here indicates that these are the unnecessary parts of the kit.
there we have spare pieces there, so I will just throw it because I don't think I will need it for other kids. And there we got some manga, but unfortunately it's Japanese text, so I cannot understand what they're talking about. But I think they are having a skit. It has a skit on how to build the tank. Okay, and we got a very nice water slide decals here, and this is very cute. To be honest, this is very cute. The girl is really nice here. I think I might use this picture here to put in front of the tank to make the tank more comedic. Yes, I might apply this in the front. Okay, let's open this. So this kit comes in 4 runners, and we got all brown runners here, so it's all about tank parts. And yes, I can see the name, it's the Tiger 1. Yep, the Tiger 1 tank model. I hope you can see it there, but it says there Tiger 1. Yep, there, Tiger 1. And these are all for the wheels, or the rounded part on the tracks. And this is runner C. Yes, this is in runner C. And for runner A, we got the tank body, and these are, by the way, the plastic is made of ABS plastic. And there we got this, I think this is not included, this is the shaded part, so we cannot use this part for this model. And this is in runner B, so this is runner B. And finally, these small pieces here are for the runner D, for the gun turrets, or the turrets, and some part detailing plastic here. So this is a very, you know, I think this is for a newbie, judging the way on how this runner looks and the amount of runner we got. This is a beginner friendly model kit. So this is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio saying good night, God bless, and take care, happy building, and see you next time on the review of this kit. So masalama, auf Wiedersehen, paalam, and goodbye.